take a look at this website. This is a beach resort website, and I built this entire site using AI. It's already live on my client's custom domain. You can see the domain here, oceanpearl.live. And the surprising part is I created this website in just about 20 to 25 minutes. It's good now, but building professional website used to be complicated. You needed themes, plugin, hosting setup, and sometimes even coding knowledge just to get a simple website online. For beginners or small businesses, the whole process could feel overwhelming and time consuming. But today, tools like Hostinger Website Builder are changing that completely. With Hostinger, you can generate a full websites in minutes using AI. Choose from more than 300 professional design templates, customize everything with a simple drag and drop editor, and launch your website with hosting, security, and domain all included in one platform. It also comes with built-in AI tools that can help you to generate images, write website content, generate logos, and even optimize your website for search engines. You also get mobile editing, marketing integration like Google Analytics and Meta Pixels, WhatsApp contact integration, and 24/7 customer support whenever you need help. And right now, Hostinger is offering huge discounts on their website builder plans. Plus, if you use my promo code Komal, you will get an additional 10% off on your purchase. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build a luxury beach resort and hotel website using Hostinger Website Builder. I will generate the entire site with AI, customize the design, add the resort rooms and facilities, create a booking form for reservation, and finally publish this website online and connect with a custom domain. So let's get started. I am currently inside my Hostinger dashboard. From here, I will go to website section here and click on add website. Then I will choose Hostinger Website Builder. Now this is where the AI generator appears. Hostinger simply asks for a few basic details about the website you want to create. So for this demo, I am going to create a luxury beachfront hotel website called Ocean Pearl Beach Resort. In the description box, I will write something like this. Create a modern luxury beach resort and hotel website with ocean view rooms, private villas, spa services, beachfront dining, swimming pool, water sport activity, gallery section, guest testimonial, and booking form. And name it Ocean Pearl Beach Resort. Okay, I just have gave this thing. Once the description is ready, I will click on create website. Now the AI start building the website automatically. Within seconds, Hostinger generates the entire homepage layout with images, sections, headings, and content based on the prompt I have provided. And just like that, I already have a fully designed website. You can see this. This hero section video is amazing. I actually thought it would just add a normal image, but it generated a fully video background instead, which looks really impressive. You can see the top view of the ocean and what I'll write on the shore. It's look beautiful and very premium. Scrolling down, the AI has already generated sections like gallery section, guest love type of testimonials, and even the footer. Honestly, everything already looks very good. If you notice something interesting, in the navigation bar, it has automatically generated multiple pages like home, rooms, villas, spa, dining, pool, water sport, booking, and more. I am trying to open some of these pages and actually look good and very well designed. The AI has already created a strong structure, but of course we can customize everything. So to start editing this site, I will just continue on edit website section. This opens a drag and drop editor where we can modify any element on the page. One of the best things about Hostinger Website Builder is how intuitive this editor is. You can click on any text to edit it, replace image instantly, and move section around simply by dragging them. From here, you can access all the main website settings. You can add new elements, manage pages and navigation, and customize the overall website style like colors, font, buttons, and animations. You will also find built-in AI tools that can help you to generate content and images quickly. There is an option to set up a store if you want to add products later, and you can even optimize the SEO for each and every page directly from here. So let's begin by customizing the main section. I want to add a logo, so I click on it and now I can edit it. I can name it, and it even has the AI logo maker that can generate a brand logos in seconds, which is extremely useful for new businesses. So now I will click on the headline and change it to something more engaging like Experience Luxury by the Ocean. Then I will update the description to highlight the resort experience. Ocean view rooms, private beach access, relaxing spa treatment, and world-class dining. Here also updating images is very simple. I just click on the image placeholder and either upload an image from my computer or select one from the built-in stock image library. So it's super easy. Now let's add a completely new section to the page. So I will click on add section and then drag a section onto the page. As you can see, the editing experience is quite similar to the using Elementor in WordPress. From here, I can easily change the image text layout. For this demo, I have already added a few images from the internet just to make this section look better. In the same way, you can upload any image you want and customize the section however you want. Now let's add one more most important feature for the hotel website, the booking form. To do that, I will add another section. I will go to the elements and here I will choose the appointments. As soon as I drag it onto the page, you can see the complete booking section is automatically added. Now in this section can be customized as well. If I click edit section, I can modify the layout, adjust how the booking form appears on the page. And if I click on manage appointments, it opens the appointment management dashboard. From there, you can see all the booking requests submitted through the form. So it's not just a front-end design element. It actually provides the backend functionality to manage reservations and view all the booking details in one place. Another helpful feature inside Hostinger Website Builder is the mobile editor. Most users browse travel websites on their phones, so it's important to make sure everything looks great on the mobile device. By switching to mobile view, you can preview the website on the smartphone layout and adjust spacing, text size, or hide element if needed. Hostingers also include several powerful AI tools built directly into editor. The AI writer can generate website text or blog content based on a few keywords. The AI image generator can create custom images if you don't have photos available. So it's great. Another interesting feature is AI SEO Assistant, which helps optimizing your website titles, descriptions, and keywords so your site can rank better in the search engines. Once we finish customizing everything, the final step is to publish the website. Actually, I've already published the website. I was just updating it. So you can now click on preview to see how the site looks. It already looks like a real luxury hotel website. When we are ready to launch it, Hostinger will ask us to connect a custom domain name. Many plans include a free domain for the first year, so you can easily connect your domain and make the website live. Now here I am taking my custom domain. Let's buy a domain name. I will name it Ocean Pearl. Here you can see many suggestions are there, so I will choose one of them. Once I select it and complete the registration and verification process, the domain becomes mine. Now the next step is to connect this domain to the website we just created. Usually domain connection and propagation can take anywhere from a few minutes to 24 hours. After a short while, you can see that the domain is now successfully connected to the website. And just like that, the website is live on the internet using my custom domain. The entire website is fully functional, accessible online, and running on the custom domain we just registered. Overall, hosting a website builder makes the entire website creations process incredibly simple. The AI generator gives you a professional starting point in seconds, and the drag and drop editor makes customization easy. And the built-in tools for SEO, marketing, and design help you to launch a fully functional website without technical knowledge. And if you want to try it yourself, don't forget you can use my promo code Komal to get an extra 10% off on the top of the current Hostinger deals. You will find the link in the description below. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want to see more content about AI tools, website creation, and digital business ideas, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.